In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy all of your open tab names and URLs in Google Chrome. This is a handy trick for anyone looking to manage multiple tabs efficiently or simply wishing to save their browsing session for later use. We'll break down the process step by step, ensuring nothing is missed and you can follow along seamlessly. First, start by finding any open tab in your Chrome browser. You'll need to right-click on this tab to access a context menu. This menu provides you with several options, but for this task, we are going to focus on one specific feature. Look for the option that says Bookmark All Tabs and click on it. What this does is create a snapshot of your current session, including all open tabs, saving them as bookmarks so you can revisit them anytime. Now, before saving, you'll be prompted to choose a location or folder for these bookmarks. Go ahead and give this folder a name. A practical option might be something straightforward like Open Tabs, but feel free to name it whatever you wish. Once you've typed in your chosen name, click Save to confirm. The next step is to access the Bookmark Manager, which can be easily done by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and O keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This shortcut opens up the Bookmark Manager, a nifty tool for organizing and managing all your saved bookmarks in Chrome. As soon as the Bookmark Manager is open, you will notice a list of all the bookmarks you have. You'll need to locate the folder you just created. Typically, it will appear near the top, especially if you've recently added it. Once you find this folder, move on to the next step, which involves exporting. Right-click on the folder containing your bookmarks, and you'll see another menu pop up. Here, you'll want to select Export Bookmarks. Choosing this option will save all your bookmark information in an HTML file. This file will store all the tab names and URLs, preserving your open session in a tidy document that you can use however you deem necessary. Finally, to view and copy all the saved links and titles, you will need to open the exported HTML file. This can be done using Notepad if you prefer a text editor, or simply opening it in a web browser will also present all of your saved information clearly. From here, you can easily copy and paste the links and titles wherever you need them, or save them for future reference. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to capture all your open tab names and URLs in Google Chrome. This technique is perfect for managing your workflow or securely saving your current web activities for future browsing sessions. I hope this guide has been helpful and you find yourself making good use of this Chrome feature. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.